Top experts have said that the two primary technical reasons behind India's withdrawal from the FGFA program is the dissatisfaction with its stealth capabilities and the production readiness of the new Product 30 engine, and as neither of the issues have been resolved, a revival of the FGFA program is no longer in the cards. India had approached the FGFA program with full technology transfer as well as extensive licensing rights, but this arrangement collapsed because Russia was uncomfortable in granting that role to India. Even if the export variant of the Su-57 is offered to India, the fighter jet will no longer abide by the strict Indian specifications requirements that led the Indian Air Force to abandon the FGFA in the first place. The Indian Air Force chief has said that India has asked Russia to modernize its fleet of Su-30 fighter jets, and the Air Force is very pleased with the upgrades of the MiG-21, MiG-27 and MiG-29, which have been equipped with modern avionics and new air-to-air systems. He also said that India is ready to discuss production of Russian defense equipments in India, as it saves time and shortens the manufacturing cycle. India has also cleared a proposal worth $435 million to equip the Su-30 fighter jets with new reconnaissance pods. The Indian Ministry of Defence had recently issued a restricted and classified request for proposal for the procurement of 100 heavyweight torpedoes for the Indian Navy's Scorpion-class diesel-electric submarines, to France's naval group, Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems, Russia's Rosbaronexport, and Sweden's Saab Group, and the torpedoes will be directly imported under the Buy Global category. The Indian Navy reportedly favors the German Seahake torpedoes and the French F-21 heavyweight torpedoes. The selection process will take several months, and it could take 2 to 3 years for the new heavyweight torpedoes to enter service with the Indian Navy. When an aircraft reaches a certain height, the temperature drops and it results in the formation of ice in the fuel. An anti-icing injection device is used during refueling, to mix an additive with the fuel to avoid the formation of ice. The Indian Air Force will soon be procuring an anti-icing injection device made by an Indian company, which was being imported earlier from Europe. An entire squadron of fighter jet can be fueled through this indigenous device, that costs only 1/3, as compared to the imported device. Russia's Deputy Prime Minister has said that India has plans to purchase rocket engines from Russia for its growing national space program, and he also recognized India's achievement in its latest mission to explore the moon. India has signed a deal with Russia's Roscosmos State Corporation for training Indian astronauts for the upcoming mission to lower Earth orbit, as well as support in medical examinations and the selection procedure. L&T Technologies Services has been selected as a strategic partner by United Technologies Corporation for Collins Aerospace of the US. The Collins Aerospace is engaged in designing, manufacturing and servicing systems and components for commercial business and military aircraft and helicopters, and it is also a major supplier to international space programs.
Omar dropped it.